Imagine you're playing on a trampoline. If you put a tiny marble on it, the trampoline bends just a little. Now imagine placing a giant bowling ball in the middle. The trampoline bends much more, and everything rolls toward it. Space works a bit like that. Instead of a trampoline, it's the universe. Instead of a bowling ball, it's a star. The bigger something is, the more it bends space and pulls things toward it. We call this pull gravity.
Now here's where things get really crazy. Some stars are so huge that when they run out of fuel, they collapse under their own weight. Imagine squeezing an entire mountain until it's smaller than a grain of sand. Sounds impossible, right? That's kind of what happens to these giant stars, but on an even bigger scale. When they collapse enough, they become something called a black hole.
A black hole is like the universe's strongest vacuum cleaner, except it doesn't actually suck things up. It simply has so much gravity that anything that gets too close falls in. Not even light can escape. That's why it's called a black hole. If light can't get out, we can't see it. So how do scientists know black holes are there? Great question. Imagine your friend is invisible. You can't see them, but you can see a swing moving by itself. You know someone must be there. Black holes are like that. We can't see the black hole itself, but we can see stars and gas spinning around something invisible. That invisible thing is the black hole. Now, every black hole has an invisible boundary called the event horizon. Think of it like the edge of a giant waterfall. If you're in a boat and you're still far away, you can paddle back. But once you go over the edge, there's no coming back. The event horizon is just like that. Once something crosses it, not even light can escape. So, do black holes wander around eating planets and stars? Nope. Black holes don't chase things. If our sun magically became a black hole but kept the same mass, the Earth would still orbit it almost exactly the same way. The only difference? Everything would become very, very dark because there would be no sunlight. Now, here's one last amazing fact. At the center of almost every big galaxy, including our own, is a supermassive black hole. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, has one that's about 4 million times heavier than our sun. Don't worry though, it's about 26,000 light years away, so it's not coming to swallow Earth. Black holes may sound scary, but they're actually some of the most fascinating objects in the universe. They help scientists understand gravity, space, time, and maybe even how the universe works. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there are invisible giants bending space itself. And that's pretty awesome. If you enjoyed learning about black holes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple science explained like you're 5, and let me know in the comments what I should explain next.